Modulus Cosmetics Private Limited is a soap manufacturing company situated near Tahliwal district, Una, Himachal Pradesh, India, and spread over a land of 50 acres. Modulus Cosmetics was established in 2010 with the aim of providing high-quality soap products to its customers and has established its name in the world of soap manufacturing across the nation and has commissioned 150 ton per day distilled fatty acid and 400 ton per day soap noodles plant. Modulus Cosmetics manufactures a wide range of soap noodles, refined glycerine, toilet soap, distilled fatty acid, laundry soap, crude glycerine, stearic acid, pitch oil, toilet cleaner and dishwashing liquid. Under the leadership of Mr. Rajan Dheer, the company has been able to work with innumerable clients from all over the nation and has been able to provide them good quality products. Our vision is to be a name to reckon within the industry by creating a significant presence in soap manufacturing with our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, which is spread across an area of 50 acres, and 150 ton per day distilled fatty acid commissioned has been designed as per German standards and supplied by Chemical Construction International Private Limited, having technical collaboration with their German partners, Lurgi. The design of our plant allows us to handle the full range of feedstock available in the market today, such as palm fatty acid distillate, PFAD, palm stearin, PST, palm kernel oil, PKO, coconut fatty acid, CNFAD, coconut oil, CNO, etc. to meet all your requirements as to the composition of the final soap noodles. Quality raw material is stored in silos after approval of testing in our state-of-the-art lab and is processed further for manufacturing soap noodles. The material of construction of our splitter is in cladded SS317L. The pre-cut distillation column is also in SS317L with 904L structured packing from Sulzer. Achievement of degree of splitting is greater than 98.5%. The pre-cut and distilled section is the latest double column design from Germany. We have 3 soap noodle cascades producing 400 metric ton per day. The lines are of Mill-India. The color of the DFA from feedstock, such as PFAD, PKO, CNO.PST, CPO, etc., is 3 to 4 units in a 5 to the power 1/4 Lobby-1 tintometer cell, Y+R reading scale. Installed silos for weathering of noodles to have uniform moisture distribution. We have all the necessary utilities for the smooth functioning of our manufacturing plant. We have 17 kg per centimeter per square medium pressure boiler having 16 ton per hour steam capacities procured from Forbes Marshall with the design and technical collaboration of Forbes Winke, Belgium. The thermal fluid boiler of a capacity of 25 lakh kilocalorie per hour is commissioned by Forbes Winke and having high pressure boiler from IBL of capacity 3 metric ton. We are also equipped with stearic flakes and hydrogenated palm fatty acids. Certifications. Modulus Cosmetics is an ISO 9001-2015 certified company which successfully qualified the EFFCI audit. We are qualified URSA and RSPO, Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil certified. We are equipped with laboratories having latest and advanced technology. We have all types of incubator machines and other high-tech machines which enables us to meet the quality expectations of our customers by repeatedly testing our products and doing R&D for new products. We have ample covered space where we can store the final product at ease with safety. High standards are maintained as per customers' requirement and every batch is made error-free. This is possible because while manufacturing, we always follow international standards which make our products world-class. Due care is also taken during the packaging and transit of final products, which ensures that our high-quality products reach safely at the designated place of our clients. Some of our leading clients, including the world-famous names such as Hindustan Unilever Limited, ITC Limited, Reckitt Benckiser, and Godrej. Toilet soap plant. Modulus Cosmetics has a dedicated toilet soap plant. We have installed 2 cascades of toilet soap manufacturing of capacity 2 metric ton per hour per line, and 2 more cascades will be commissioned within the next 6 months. The lines are from Mill India and wrapping and bending machines are from BM Packagings. We have started manufacturing Lifebuoy soaps on behalf of HUL in the toilet soap plant. Our expert technicians work round the clock to ensure that the plant runs 24/7 without any hindrance. We have successfully manufactured more than 1500 tons in the last month at our toilet soap plant. The toilet soap plant is fully automatic and the manufacturing is done with the international standards, keeping the quality as high as possible. The aim is to invite our valuable customers to give us the opportunity to manufacturing their brands as per requirement, taking the advantage of in-house supply of soap noodles with cost-saving dealings, including freight charges, wastage, and intermediate packaging cost. We have ample covered space where we can store the final product. We have well-trained staff for smooth running of our plant. And HR department works round the clock for well-being of our employees, along with regular meetings, as how we can further improve the efficiency and quality. Accounts department ensure that all the vendors and employees are paid on time, along with the timely accounts audit. For any inquiries, please visit our website www.moduluscosmetics.com.